series is an off-grid inverter with high power, using the latest design and a sturdy shell base, making it very popular in the market. Range power includes inverter 10 kV ampere, inverter 10 kW, and inverter 15 kW, inverter 20 kW, inverter 30 kW. Advantages and features: supports multiple batteries, also compatible with lithium batteries, can connect to communication Wi-Fi, add monitor external, built-in AC charge for battery charge, suitable for villas, hotels, factories, etc.